Hello, I am Akarshan. Today we read about how to convert affirmative sentence into negative and interrogative in tenses. So first of all, we learned in present tense, present indefinite. We solve this example with which is in affirmative sentence and with these formulas and learn convert in negative and interrogative. So first, I speak English. So here this sentence is affirmative sentence and first is subject. Subject is I plus verb की first form and es. S is used in and es is used in singular subject, but here I is plural subject, so we don't write s and es. We only write verb and its first form and with complement. So here I speak English, I subject, speak verb, English complement. So this is affirmative sentence and now we convert it into negative. So rule of negative: subject plus do or does do used in plural and does used in singular subject plus not plus verb first form plus complement. So here we write negative I do not speak English. So this is converted into negative and now we convert it into interrogative. So formula is interrogative: do does helping verb, subject and verb plus complement. So here interrogative: do I speak English? We mark question mark in a question sentence. So this is how to convert affirmative sentence into negative and interrogative in present indefinite. Now present continuous. Here is example: I am speaking English, affirmative. Subject is be verb plus ing, verb first form and ing plus complement. So I subject, am is used in he she in third person, am is used in first person, are is used in second person plus verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म विद ing प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश. ठीक है. नेगेटिव: सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर प्लस नॉट, वर्ब की वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ing प्लस कॉम्प्लीमेंट. I am not speaking English. Interrogative is am plus subject plus verb की first form and ing plus complement. So now frame in sentence. Interrogative: am I speaking English? Question mark. So this is how to convert affirmative sentence into negative and interrogative in present continuous. Now present perfect. This example: I have spoken English. Here I is subject, have is used in plural, and has is used in singular. Verb, third form of the verb plus complement. Third form of the verb is necessary in present perfect sentence. And now convert into a negative. Subject plus has, have plus not plus verb plus complement. So negative: I have not spoken English. Interrogative: has, have plus subject plus verb third form plus complement. Now present perfect continuous. I have been speaking English for last 2 hours. Affirmative: subject plus has plus been. Been is used because in perfect third form of the verb. So here third form of the be was be. So here been is used and continues. So verb with ing complement with since for plus time expression. Since is used in point of time where definite time, and for is used in period of time where indefinite time. Example: since is used in 2010. For is used in last 30 minutes where we cannot decide which last 30 minutes. And now frame in sentence. In negative: subject plus has have plus not plus been plus verb with ing plus complement since for plus time expression. Negative: I have not been speaking English for last 2 hours. Last 2 hours indicate indefinite time. So here we used for. Now frame an interrogative. Has, have plus subject plus been plus verb with ing complement since for plus time expression. Have I been speaking English